Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a demo on my cryptocurrency price alert tracker. It will send you an email alert when the cryptocurrency price goes above or below the given price. So if you look at here, the BTC is right now trading at 44 lakhs something, and I want to get a trigger if it goes below 40 lakhs or if it goes above 50 lakh. So this is the condition that I set for the email alert. So let me show you how to configure this cryptocurrency price alert tracker for the very first time, and how to make use of this cryptocurrency price alert tracker to get the price alert directly to your email. So there are two tabs here. One is a settings and the next one is a monitor tab. So this is a one-time setup. You just need to update these details for the very first time. Then you don't need to go into this settings tab. All you need to do is make changes to this monitor tab. So let's first have a look at the settings. So you need to give your name. So the email contain your name and the email ID, and here you need to give the email ID where you want to get the notification. So even if you keep this Google Sheet in a separate Gmail, you can also give your official email address so that it will send the email from this Google Sheet associated Gmail to the given email ID. So that's how this works. And the exchange API key. So here we are fetching the prices every few minutes from the cryptocurrency exchange. So you need to give the exchange API key to pull the prices every few minutes. And let me show you how to do that. Also, I suggest you to keep trade on this particular exchange so that the price alert that you get in email will be 100% accurate. If you trade on other exchanges, you will notice a difference from 1% to 4%. And I personally use this exchange for trading cryptocurrency because the trading fees is very less compared to other crypto exchanges. So let me show you how to get the free API key from this exchange. So all you have to do is just do a free sign up here. Once you signed up, you have to click on the profile and go to this API management, and you will see a text box. Give the API key to label. Let's give a label here. Let me give label as Google Sheet Alert and click on create API key. So here you need to verify your authenticity by sending an email verification code as well as a phone verification code. Let me do the verification now. And finally, once you enter the email verification and phone verification, click on the submit button. So I got the verification code and I updated the verification code here. Now I'm going to click on the submit button. So I got the API key, and you need to keep this API key highly secure. So don't expose it to a public. So and also don't try to use my API key, because after I'm done with this video, I'm going to delete this API key, so it will no longer be valid. So click on the edit restriction once the API key is created, and make sure that you just enable the reading, and you can uncheck other stuffs. And keep this IP access restriction unrestricted, because of this Google Sheet rotate the IP because it has a list of IPs. So when it's making a call, it can make a call from different IP. So that's why we need to keep it unrestricted, and we are giving only a read access by enabling this enable reading. So, and you can uncheck the other stuff and click on the save, and once again it will ask you to do the verification. So that's it. Now we have the API key. Click on this copy API key, and now go back to your Google Sheet and put the API key over here. Let me change the color to black. So that's it. Now we updated the API key, and we updated the name, email ID, and the exchange API key. And if you need any help, you can click on this link and watch this video and select your fiat currency. So if you want to get the notification in your local currency, you can select the currency from the drop down. So I have offered around 33 different currencies, so you can select your respective currency. And I'm from India, so I will go with INR. So these are the details that you just need to update it for the very first time. And let's move on to monitor. So here you need to enter the symbol of the cryptocurrency that you want to monitor, and the price goes above or below these details, and this will be automatically fetched from the API call. So let's say I want to monitor the BTC and I want to get an email alert if the Bitcoin price goes below 40 lakhs or if it goes above 40 lakhs. So if any of the condition met, you will get an email notification, and this one will keep updating every few minutes by fetching the price from the cryptocurrency exchange. So even you can also make multiple entries for the same cryptocurrency. For example, if I want to get a notification if the price goes below 35 lakhs or if it goes above just 47 lakhs. So for the same cryptocurrency, you can also make multiple entries by adjusting the goes below and goes above. So that's completely up to you, and all you need to do is just ensure that the cryptocurrency symbol is correct. And here the currency price, it fetches up to 10 decimal digit. So once you're done with this, you have to initialize the Google app script for the very first time, and let me show you how to do that. Click on the crypto custom menu that you will see only on this Google sheet and click on the initialize. So you have to do the initialization for the very first time. From the second time, you can make use of the second option, refresh portfolio sheet, that I will show you shortly. So you will get a pop-up authorization record. Click on continue, select your Gmail, and you will get a notification Google hasn't verified this app. So click on the advanced and click on go to crypto tracker and give access. So you have to give access because you need to make an API call, and you will get an email alert using this option, and you will let this sheet run when you are not present. So these are the access you need to give because it has to refresh every few minutes. So that's why you need to give access to this sheet. So just click on the allow and you will see the authorization successful. So that's it. Now you authorize the script, and let's go to the second option, refresh monitor sheet, to get the latest price updates for this cryptocurrencies. So that's it. So as I mentioned earlier, you just need to initialize the script for the very first time, and then going forward you can use the refresh monitor sheet. Also, if you want to add a new currency, you can add the currency details and just click on the refresh monitor sheet. So just to ensure that the symbol you have given matches with the API call. As I mentioned earlier, this script will keep updating the current prices on the background for every few minutes, and if any of the condition met, you will instantly get an email notification. So the one common question I get from the viewer is, do I have to keep this sheet open to get the email alert? So the answer is no. Once you update your details and the prices for goes below or goes above, you are good and you can close this sheet, and you don't need to keep this open because everything will be run on the cloud in the background, so you don't have to worry about keeping this open on your desktop. So let me show you a sample email alert that you will get when the cryptocurrency prices matches with your below or above condition. So this is a one email I got because previously I set a condition to get the email notification if the Bitcoin price goes below 45 lakhs. So the current price at the time was 44 lakhs. So that's why I got an email. And to avoid getting continuous email, you can click on this Google spreadsheet, or you can click on this and make changes to these prices so that you don't get a duplicate email notification alert. And you can also open the exchange right from your email. It will launch the app if you click on this from the mobile, or it will open the cryptocurrency exchange in a new tab if you click on this from the browser. So this INR is fetching from this fiat currency. So if you want to track everything in USD, just select the USD and do a refresh once again, and all the prices will be in USD, but you need to make this goes above or below in the same USD. Otherwise you will get a false notification, so you have to adjust that accordingly. But let me change it back to INR because I want to keep track of everything in INR. So let me do a refresh once again. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions or suggestion to make more feature to this cryptocurrency price alert tracker. So soon I'm going to launch the second version for this cryptocurrency price alert tracker, where you will get alert on your email as well as on your mobile via SMS. So now you can download this sheet for free. I have given a link in the description. Just go ahead and download and start tracking the cryptocurrency prices and make more profit. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.